Can you hear it? Listen. Listen to it. Listen. Can you hear the bullshit? Yeah, that's it. Can you hear it? Can you hear all this bullshit?
So basically for already a long time, since I was very young, not very young, but like a teenager, I think, I started having this text file thing, which was just always open and I would put things in. And somewhere around the time when I started making art and performing, I decided to publish one of those text files. And that's what I called Pool1. And then I continued every year to publish that. During making of this pool, I was thinking a lot about space and body and ears and hearing and communication. And yeah, there's this chain between a thought and expression that gets inhibited. Here in the corner, losing my career. I like the idea of how does somebody come in and what do they gravitate to, what do they read, and also this possibility that no one gets to see the same thing or read the same thing. I think this also speaks a lot to this, what's happening also in a world with the whole abundance of information. But like because of algorithms, we spin on ourselves and our, so it's like individual spinning on itself, and everything is kind of narrowing down and becoming very fixated and claustrophobic. And I think also in the audio piece, I have a lot of sounds of choking, and I think that kind of suffocating narrowing of the surface. I think that's very kind of also what I was thinking about. I mean, I had a lot of thoughts. They're all in here. They're all in here.
I drowned in words.
I think that also maybe this is also why I wanted to escape the image with the show. I wanted to escape the aha, because everything is so, images became so powerful and so good and so like, artists know so well. We're so image literate. We're so capable to make such good images. And then we're all serving these images, and we forgot about the process and about letting something emerge. And then maybe that what emerges is not an amazing image, but it does something else.